Hey everyone, if you're facing the video moderated problem in Grok AI, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy steps to fix it. Just follow each step carefully. First, check your internet connection. Before doing anything else, make sure your connection is stable. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. And if you're already using mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi or try a different network. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds and then turn it back off. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons this error shows up. Now, let's give the app a fresh start. Find the Grok AI app on your phone. Press and hold the app icon until a small menu appears, then tap the Info I button. On the app info page, tap Force Stop and confirm it by tapping OK. Next, go to Storage. Here's the important part. Tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache, and tap OK to confirm. This will remove temporary files or corrupted data that could be causing the video moderation issue. Don't worry, this won't delete your account. It only resets the app's temporary files. Once that's done, go back to your home screen. Now, open the Google Play Store and search for Grok AI. Tap the search bar at the top and type Grok AI. When the app appears, check if there's an Update button. If an update is available, update the app completely. Updates often include bug fixes that can solve this problem. After the update finishes, return to your home screen and open the Grok AI app again. If you followed all these steps and the error still appears, don't worry, there's one last fix. Simply uninstall the Grok AI app, then reinstall it from the Play Store. A fresh installation usually clears any remaining issues. And that's it. After completing these steps, the video moderated problem in Grok AI should be fixed. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes.